The Houston toad Anaxyrus houstonensis is a critically endangered amphibian species endemic to a restricted range in east-central Texas, including parts of the Houston metropolitan area. This toad species is recognized for its unique characteristics, featuring a mottled skin pattern adorned with dark spots, and emits a distinct, melodic call, especially during the breeding season. Unfortunately, the Houston toad faces severe threats primarily attributed to habitat loss. The rapid expansion of urban areas and changes in land use have led to the degradation and fragmentation of their natural habitats, putting significant pressure on the population. As a result, the Houston toad has been listed as a federally endangered species since 1970. Conservation efforts for the Houston toad involve a multifaceted approach. Habitat restoration projects aim to improve and reconnect fragmented habitats, providing essential breeding and foraging grounds. Additionally, captive breeding programs have been established to bolster the population and reintroduce individuals into the wild. Public awareness initiatives play a crucial role in garnering support for conservation measures. Educating communities about the importance of preserving the Houston toad's habitat, minimizing human impact, and participating in citizen science programs contributes to the overall conservation strategy. Despite these efforts, the Houston toad remains at risk, underscoring the delicate balance required to ensure the survival of this unique and vulnerable species in the face of ongoing environmental challenges. Continued collaboration between conservation organizations, researchers, and local communities is essential to secure a sustainable future for the Houston toad and its ecosystem.